beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this look. So it's another holidays eye makeup tutorial, and I decided to go ahead use this beautiful Naked3 palette from Urban Decay, and this is how it's gonna look like. And for those who's new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That means a lot. Okay, let's get started. First, by the way, I already primed my eye with a concealer, and I haven't put a translucent powder because I decided to use this this color as a base. So I'll go ahead, use that all over my lid. All right, and so in this eye makeup tutorial, this is like a sandwich makeup, so we're not gonna start from light to dark. We're kind of going to start from dark to light and then light to dark. So first, I'll be using this Mooner, this color right here. Tap it off. So I'll be using that first to my inner corner. And then to my outer corner. Give me 1 second. By the way, guys, Merry Christmas. I am filming this video like 23rd here in Colorado, so it won't stay. Come here. Come on. There you go. I'm just packing it in. So I started with a dark color. Oh, I forgot to put this. I used the shield eyeshadow. I'm sorry, because I wanted to create this like a wing here. So just do like that, a little low. I don't want to be cover all my lower lashes, so we can put some color in there. So I use this brush E30 from Sigma, and then I'm just gonna go ahead smudge it with this brush E25 from Sigma as well. I'm just gonna blend it in. And then slightly connect in the middle. I wanna pick a little more of that color, guys, just to intensify the corner. And then blend it with the brush E25 again. And then I'll be going to use this color, Black Heart, the same area, just a little amount of that. I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And just pack it here. And then with that brush E25, I'll be blending it in. And just lightly connect it in the middle. And then with that brush E35 from Sigma, guys, I am going to pick this color Mooner again. Pick a little color of that, and I'm just gonna apply that on top of my crease, like a little down of my brow bone, just to blend everything in, just to blend all the color. Alright guys, with this brush E54 from Sigma, I'm going to wet this brush with my fresh glow water. You can use any setting spray. And I am going to use Buzz, Dust, and Trick, all this shimmery color. I'm going to blend all that color, guys. I'll be start off with Buzz. And I'll just pack that in the middle of my lid. What I like with this palette, guys, has a combination of kind of rosy and pinky color, and it's really pretty, that you can use this pretty much every day. So I'm not gonna use glitter tonight. So pretty much I'll be I want to name this eye makeup tutorial for like New Year's Eve look. So now I pick that Buzz, and I'm going to pick this Dust here with the same brush, and it's wet because I use like this you know, the glow water that I've been using, and I told you guys that you can use this as well as a setting spray. So I'm just gonna pack it there, still in the middle. Oh my god, the color is pretty. And lastly, I'm gonna blend it in with Trick, this one right here. Alright, so back to my brush E25. I'm going to blend the edges of that to get rid of that harshness there, and then the other side, the inner corner, and then on the top, like to my crease, like that. And back to the pencil brush E30, I'm going to pick that dark heart again, just to use it to my lower lashes. Like that. And back to that brush, E54, this color Buzz, like the pinky rosy color. I'm going to put that in my inner waterline right here. Okay, and I'll be using this Becca highlighter, guys, just to put just a little bit amount on my brow bone. And just using my pinky, I'm still getting that highlighter from Becca, and I'm going to place that here on my inner corner to have a highlights there. Okay, ta-da! There's some harshness there's, guy, and then I'll just fix that with my Clinique press powder. So this happened, like, you know, it's gonna leave a mark because when you apply already your foundation. But either way, some people likes to apply their foundation last and then intend to apply the eyeshadow first before that. And then back to my brush E25, I'll be picking this color again, Mooner, just to smudge the lower lashes so it blends the color there and there's no harshness. Okay, guys, I'll be putting my false lashes and mascara off the camera, and I'll be right back. Alright mga loves, here's the final look. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you can give it a try, please. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Happy holidays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.